all of us come together from different specialties, nurses, PAs, nurse practitioners, doctors, businessmen. I think Aesthetic Next is a perfect platform for what I'm here for. My expertise are in anatomy, and it's nice because a lot of the people that are here don't have that experience as far as the anatomy. As we all know, anatomy is the key to successful but yet very, very safe outcome. And I'm hoping that I can share my knowledge with everyone else here that is probably not as familiar to make them better providers, better injectors, and have much, much, much better patient outcome. If you are considering getting into aesthetic medicine, or you are already in aesthetic medicine and you want to expand and enhance your experience and your knowledge, this is the perfect platform, and you should consider coming here for sure.